cooking channel. Today I'm so excited about making a lemon cake with whipping cream frosting. And this is for a friend of the family. Actually it's Charles and Jamie's sister-in-law that's in town from Indiana. So she has requested this cake for her birthday, which is on Tuesday. So I'm gonna make this cake for her. So let me get started. All right, I'm gonna add 2 sticks of butter. This is room temperature butter. This is unsalted butter. And a 1/2 cup of sugar. Got it going through the sieve. I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar. Oops, I forgot to use the sieve. That's okay, it's still come out good. I added 2 cups of sugar and 2 sticks of butter. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna have to break it out. And 1 teaspoon of soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's sea salt. And I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of lemon juice. That's 1/3. Okay, there we go. And a little extra, I'm gonna go ahead and add it in here. What the heck? That's a seed in there. Let's see if I can get it out of there. A little baby seed. Come on, get out of there. So I can bake this cake. Now let me use the sieve again. Okay. Okay, I added 2/3 cup of lemon juice. About a tablespoon extra added. Okay, now I'm gonna add a cup of sour cream. Just gonna make sure we get everything out of here. Gotta grab my spatula. Every bit of that sour cream out of there. So now I'm gonna turn on the mixer and slowly let it mix up. While it's mixing up, I'm gonna prepare my flour. I mean 3 eggs. Now, most of you know that I'm keto, but I bake a lot of cakes, so this is going to be a good cake. I've been baking a lot of cakes in the past and present, so this is a really good. Add in 1 cup of flour. Two cups of flour. What am I talking about? This is going to be a 2-layer cake. Lemon cake with whipped cream frosting. Okay, this is the 2nd cup of flour. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place it behind the blender. Place it under the blender for a few minutes or less to break up all of the flour. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm using my spatula to remove flour from the side of the bowl here. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. And it looks really good. Just a little better flour there. Okay. There's one thing I'm gonna add right now is a teaspoon of lemon. This is lemon flavor. And then I'm gonna turn the mixer off. Oh, I dropped that little thing in there. So incorporate that, and we are done with the cake batter. Now I'm gonna prepare the pans. Spray that on the bottom of the pan, and now I'm gonna tap them a little bit. I'm gonna place them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes, and we'll check on them then. These are 8-inch pans, so you have 2 pans that will have to go in the oven for this cake. It's a 2-layer cake. Okay, here are the cakes I just made, just took out of the oven. So I'm gonna place these on a cooling rack and until I'm ready to frost the cakes. So let me get that started. These cakes cook for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. I added 1 cup of whipping cream. This is my 2nd cup of whipping cream. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the blender. All right, let me turn it on low so I can whip up this whipping cream. I'm adding 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm turning the speed up on the blender here. This is my beautiful blender. Turn the blender on the highest speed so that it can start forming some peaks. Okay, I added the lemon curd in the bowl here. I used a 12.7 ounce in this whipping cream here. Okay, here's the first layer. I have placed it on the cake plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and frost it on this cake plate as well. So let me get started. Okay, I'm putting the frosting on the bottom layer of this cake. This is a really good recipe. You have to try it. And now I'm adding whipping cream frosting to the top of the cake. It's looking really good. Here's the cake. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the refrigerator so the icing can harden. I added some lemon zest to the top of the cake, okay? And it looks really good. So I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator and let it cool off. And then I remove the paper from the edges. am removing the paper from the bottom of the cake. Here. Turn it around. It's been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. It's coming out pretty clean, but I see there's some areas where I will have to use a knife or something to take out the sides of the cake, like right here. I don't like the way that looks. So I clean it up and I'll be back. This is a birthday party for Matilda, and this is her cake. We all meeting at Red Lobster for her birthday today. So it's a beautiful lemon cake with whipped cream icing on it. Okay, this is my food at Red Lobster. Keeping it keto. Got a salad here too. So it looks good. So just wanted to enjoy this. And I'm gonna take a picture of the cake when they cut it. So let me eat my dinner.
Get out. Be careful.
All right, Eddie.
What are you insinuating?
Okay. How many eating cake? How many?
Happy birthday, Matilda. Big 5'6".
The bill is not eating. Okay, the birthday girl get the first piece. Okay. And whatever's left over, she takes it. Okay. Oop, my sleeve almost went in your plate, Jamie. Okay. Oh, you got it? You got the picture of the cake, Jamie?
Yes.
Okay.
You want me to stop it?
Let me cut another piece. Jesse want a small piece.
I want a real small.
She want a small piece.
Chocolate cake coming.
Oh, did you tell them to hold up on that?
Bring it all out at one time.
Because we got brownie and ice cream and all that coming together. Somehow or another, I forgot that.
Okay. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.
Charles wanted a piece of cake.